Now this story is out of China. This is not acrobatics or anything like this. Woman cleaning skyscraper windows without harness. Shocks Chinese netizens. A pair of seemingly fearless Chinese women went viral after they were filmed cleaning windows on the outside of a skyscraper's 11th floor. Shared on Douyin on December 12th, the video of the woman has collected over 4 million views, 36,000 likes, and 11,000 reshares. Allegedly filmed on December 11th in Songyuan, China, two women in aprons can be seen balancing on the ledge of an 11-story window without any safety harness or protective measures, while one woman grabs the edge of a window for support. The other can be seen with one leg inside the apartment and one leg outside the window as they both scrub the window with rags. In response to the short clip, shocked Douyin users took to the comments. "I'd rather the window get dirty than wipe. Who usually looks at the glass at home every day?" A user wrote. Well, it's not that you look under the glass. When you look out, you want to see. You want to see outside the window. That's what it is. Not to mention, standing outside, sticking your head out is scary enough, another commented. Someone in awe of the woman, with one user writing, "It's a miracle these two survived to such an old age." Imagine that. So in China, I mean, these women are doing that. What are the chances that they're old? You know, that probably says a lot about how young people are in China, that you call these women old. And the story ends here. But I think what the article failed to mention is that as you go higher, you can get bursts of wind gusts at times, and that's the scary part. And those winds can blow people away. You know? So that's the problem right there. I don't know if in this city if they get windy days or so forth, but what they're doing is really ridiculous to clean those windows. I have a squeegee, and at times I'll clean my window, but you know what? I have the bucket with the water, everything like that, the cleaning solution, and I stick from one end, and I get like an extension stick, hook it up to the squeegee, put it out the windows, both sides, and I clean. That's the way I clean my window. I'm not gonna climb outside the window to clean. And there are some windows that can flip around. You know, you can put them. You can go from vertical in one end and flip it. So I don't know. It seems as though their windows were not built that way. But what a story. Let's see. I'm not sure if there's a video that says here. It's probably an ad. Maybe there's a video in here. I didn't really check. But the pictures were enough for me. These two women right there. This is sure crazy. That tells you China doesn't have the equivalent of OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, like we do in Washington, D.C.